Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today I will teach you how to move Steam game to another monitor. Moving a Steam game to another monitor is easy. If you have a multi-monitor setup, most games let you switch displays through their in-game video settings or by using Windows display options. Follow these steps to play your Steam game on your preferred monitor. To begin, turn on both monitors and make sure they are connected to your computer. Open the settings on Windows and select System and Display. Confirm that both monitors are detected correctly. Arrange the monitors to match their physical positions if needed. Choose the monitor you want to use for gaming. Click Make this my main display if you want games to open on that monitor by default. Open the Steam client. Launch the game you want to play. Then open the game settings or options menu. Go to Display, Graphics, or Video settings. Select your preferred monitor if the game provides a display monitor option. Apply the changes and quit and open the game to restart the game if prompted. If the game doesn't have a monitor selection option, switch it to windowed or borderless window mode. Drag it to other monitor, then return to full screen if supported. Confirm that the game is running on the correct monitor and adjust the display settings again if necessary. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.